Somaliland's presidential election this year is critical and important for the breakaway region in their quest for independence. Somaliland's democracy, like all democracies, relies on giving politicians and parties the chance to win elections. It is the voters who will decide who gets to run Somaliland next. And they face a clear choice between Caalamiga and Wadani. A peaceful election would reinforce Somaliland's claim as a stable democratic entity. Here's a report.
"33 years ago, Somaliland declared its unilateral withdrawal from the Somali Union. It is an independent, breakaway state unrecognized by law. It doesn't fly a flag at the United Nations in New York. Somaliland also suffers from a lack of access to global financing and humanitarian and development aid, most of which must come